12 months of the year in Russian. How you need to pronounce all these 12 months of the Russian. How you need to, I don't know, answer question like when were you born, and how you need to answer this question in Russian. My name is Ima, I'm from Belarus, I'm native Russian speaker, and on my channel I try to help you improve your listening skills, speaking skills in Russian language. Therefore, please watch this video if you learn Russian language. If you're ready, let's get started. First of all, we will talk about month, 12 months, how you need to pronounce these 12 months in Russian. Let's get started. Январь, 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 февраль, 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 март, 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 апрель, 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 май, 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 июнь, 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 июль, 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 август, 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 сентябрь, 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 октябрь, 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 ноябрь, 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 декабрь, 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 декабрь. So next we'll talk about how you need to answer a question like when were you born in Russian language. For example, your friend from I don't know, Russian, Belarus, Ukraine, and this friend is a native Russian speaker, ask you when were you born, how you should answer this question in Russian. In English language we answer this question like, for example, I was born on the 1st of the June, for example. Yes, how you should say this phrase in Russian. First of all, you should know that when we use this month in Russian language, exactly in this situation, when we answer this question, you should know that every month, every Russian month will have at the end of the word letter ya or a. What I mean? For example, phrase, sentence like this: I was born on the 1st of the June. We translate into Russian this sentence like Я родился 1 июня. 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 You see that Russian word, Russian month, June, июнь, has at the end of the word letter ya. Ya. Because we talk about this kind of answer like I was born on the 1st of the June. In Russian language, the sentence sound like Я родился 1 июня. And we take, of course, absolutely every month, every Russian month. For example, I was born on the 1st of the January. Я родился 1 января. 1 января. Января. You see that word января also has at the end of the word letter я. Я. 1 января. 2nd February. 2 февраля. I was born on the 2nd of February. Я родился 2 февраля. Февраля. You see that the same situation, that Russian word февраля has at the end of the word letter я. Another example. Я родился 3 марта. Марта. 3 марта. You see that word Marta has at the end of the word a. What I said about 2 minutes ago, that in this situation when we answer this question, when were you born, you should know that a Russian month will have at the end of the word letter Я or А. Next. Я родился 1 апреля. Апреля. Another example. 2 мая. I was born on the 2nd of May. Я родился 2 мая. 2 мая. 2 июня. Июня. 3 июля. 3rd of July. 3 июля. Июля. 1 августа. Августа. 3 августа. 2 сентября. 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 1 октября. Октября. 5 ноября. 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 30 декабря. Декабря. You see that all these 12 months, Russian month, will have at the end of the word letter Я or А if we talk about this answer. When, for example, your friend asks you, when were you born? You should know that how you should answer this question, how you need to use these 12 Russian month in this answer. Just remember that at the end of this at the end of this Russian month, you will use at the end of the word letter Я or А. Just remember it. By the way, if you want to know more information about Russian language, if you learn Russian language almost every day, and if you want to sound like a real native Russian speaker, please watch this next video on my channel because it's very important and useful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, put like, and bye bye.